SG here says, I am sorry, but I can't seem to get this. I am making awareness something. Yes. So much doubt and noise. Don't even know what witnessing is. Sorry, no, no, no. It's perfectly honest question. There's a lot of integrity and honesty in this question, which is very good. It's very good. And you've identified a very subtle problem which many are still unclear about. So it's very good at least you see this. Because for many, we buy the visual metaphor of awareness which the mind is serving for us. So when I say you are the awareness itself, the mind could come and paint this picture of a deep space, black space. And I say, yes, yes, I am that. No? So in that, going with the visual metaphor and buying the visual metaphor, actually the point is missed. And many actually beings seem to spend many years in this delusion of just buying this. I have heard I am awareness, I trust the Guru's words, and here it is. This is what awareness looks like. It's one either white, peaceful space or black, peaceful space. No? But that is just your mind's representation of what awareness is. That is what we mean when you say, I am making awareness something. It is very good. It's a beautiful line which you said. Yes. So even in this, the something is there, the mental projection, but there is a witnessing of this, isn't it? The one that is aware that I am making the awareness something. Who is this one? Who is seeing this mental picture of awareness? This one has no attributes. This one does not look like any phenomena. It is non-phenomenal. So let me ask you a question which can clarify this immediately. If I was to ask you, are you aware now? Without referring to the mind, just with the innocence of the child, what would you say? The simple question is, and we'll wait for your answer, and anybody else who is unclear can also choose to answer and participate. When I ask the question, are you aware now? What is your answer? SG here says, yes, something is seeing all this trying. Yes. And this was before I asked the question. So let's stay with this question, which is, are you aware now? Forget about all the past, forget about all knowledge. You are a newborn baby who just landed here, you do not know anything. So, would you say you are aware now? And this question is for all of you. So, HG here and Hans say yes. Yes. Very good. So, now stay with me for a little bit. Stay with me. Don't let the mind come. Let it come and let it go. The question is, what is seen? What is seen that you're able to confirm this with so much clarity that I am aware? Yeah. So the question was asked, are you aware now? And something confirmed something, isn't it? There was a confirming that happened that yes, I am aware. What is seen that this was confirmed? It was not that visual metaphor, isn't it? It was not that thing that you made out of this word. The mind makes a thing out of the word awareness. But in the simple question, are you aware now? You did not imagine yourself to be that thing, isn't it? But something, not thing, Something was seen which confirmed that your awareness goes all blurry. You say it goes all blurry. But the answer is still completely clear. Yes. Hans says awareness itself, yes. And you streamer says nothing is seen is self-referring, yes. Yes. So let me clarify these words a little more. What he means is that no phenomena is seen actually. Huh? Yet it is completely clear that awareness is here. In the question, are you aware now? The answer is completely clear, even to a child. And you can also say that I did not see anything. It was not a phenomena that I saw. And yet there is an awareness that there is awareness. Don't try to understand these words with the mind. Simple, it's very simple. When the question is asked, are you aware now? There's immediately a confirming yes. Then you see that it is awareness itself which is aware of its own self. And it is not a phenomenal experience. That's why I say awareness, being aware of awareness itself, is the only non phenomenal experiencing. SG says, oh, only awareness is aware? Yes. Yes. What is aware that you are aware? It must be this awareness itself. It is this simple actually. And because it is this simple, that's why the mind always misses it. The mind always paints a picture for you, trying to tell you that you are that. And we've seen through all the tricks of the mind and we've distilled the entire search into one simple question. And through grace, if there's openness and the enormity of this question is seen, then it is over now. The one simple question is, are you aware now? And the answer will inevitably be yes. And then you will see that only awareness is aware of itself. Clear?